Sega Industries Pvt Ltd. Our vision is to provide Pakistan a global recognition in the world of furniture manufacturing by being recognizable for innovative, uncompromised production quality. At Sega, attention to detail is our utmost priority, which reflects in our unique product offering, created with the use of latest technology and abiding by international standards. Our products are manifested with no compromise on quality. Made in Pakistan, made for the world.